In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings on the Hogwarts Legacy game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Hogwarts Legacy and you can go into the settings right from the main menu, or if you're inside the game, just press the start button to pause the game. Then you can go into the control options at the left side to view your control type. If you go into the mouse icon, you can now redefine your keyboard controls. You may assign up to 2 different buttons for the same task. In order to assign a secondary option, just press the blank space. And now, once you are told to press your key, you can simply press it to bind it to this action. If you want to change an already assigned button, simply press the current button. And once again, when you are prompted, you can press your desired key. Make sure to save your settings before you go back. And now you can enjoy your game with your custom controls right away. And you can change this at any time in the future once again by going back into the same controls menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Hogwarts Legacy game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.